Welcome to this headstand focused yoga flow. In today's practice, we'll build strength, flexibility, and control needed to get upside down. Strong shoulders, hamstring flexibility, and strong hip flexors are some of the key elements needed for headstand practice, and of course, we'll explore those today. Let's begin standing at the front of the mat. As you inhale, reach the arms up, elongate the body, palms press as you look up. Then exhale, fold forward, reach down. Inhale, head lifts, lengthen. Exhale, step back to plank position and lower down to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. And stay here for a few deep breaths. With the next inhale, step forward to the front of the mat, lengthen. And exhale, fold to your legs. Inhale, come all the way up, reach. And exhale, relax the arms. Again, inhale, reach up, palms press. And exhale, fold forward, reach down. Inhale, head lifts, lengthen. Then exhale, step back and lower to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. And exhale to downward facing dog. Breathe. With your next inhale, step forward to the front of the mat, lengthen, and exhale, fold to the legs. Inhale, come all the way up, reach, and exhale, relax the arms. Inhale, reach up, palms press, and then exhale, fold forward, reach down. Inhale, head lift, then exhale, step back to plank position, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing and exhale, downward facing dog. Hold here. With the next inhale, step forward to the front, lengthen, and exhale, fold to the legs. Inhale, come all the way up, reach, and exhale, release to standing. Then bend the knees, inhale, reach the arms up to chair position, palms press. Then exhale, fold forward, reach down. Inhale, lift the head, elongate the spine. Then exhale, step back to plank position and lower to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. And exhale into downward facing dog. So you inhale, extend the right leg back behind you, keeping the hips level. And then exhale, come forward to plank, bringing the knee to your chest. Inhale, extend. And exhale, come forward. Inhale, extend. Exhale, come forward. 2 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, extend, coming to three-legged dog. And then exhale, step the right foot forward to the front of the mat. Stay on the ball of the back foot. And then as you inhale, come up, binding the arms for eagle position with left arm under. Lift the elbows, take the forearms away from your face, and breathe here. With the next exhale, lean halfway forward, transferring your weight into the right leg and lift the left leg behind you for warrior three. Keeping the arms in that same position. With the next inhale, start coming up to standing, bringing the left knee to the chest, and then bend the right knee and wrap the legs for eagle. Inhale, stand up, bringing the left knee to the chest. Then release your arms and reach them up to the ceiling, and then extend your left leg straight and hold here. One last breath. And then let go, returning to standing. Bend both knees. Inhale, reach the arms up to chair position. And then exhale, fold forward, straighten the legs. Inhale, half lift. And exhale, step back and lower to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing. From down dog, inhale, extend the left leg back. And exhale, come forward to plank, knee to chest. Inhale, reach back. And exhale, come forward. Inhale. And exhale. Two more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach back to three-legged dog. And then exhale, step the left foot forward to the front of the mat. Stay on the ball of the back foot. As you inhale, reach the torso up, binding your arms for eagle with your right arm under. Hold here, lift the elbows, forearms away from your nose. As you exhale, lean forward halfway and then transfer your weight into the left leg, coming to warrior three. As you inhale, start coming up to standing, bring the right knee up to the chest. And then exhale, wrap the legs for eagle, lift the arms, and breathe here. Inhale, stand up, right knee to the chest. And then release the arms as you exhale. And then inhale, reach them up to the ceiling and extend the right leg straight. Last breath. And then let go, returning to standing. Bend both knees, inhale, reach the arms up to chair position. And then exhale, fold forward, straighten the legs. Inhale, lift the head, elongate, and then fold again as you exhale. You can bring the hands to your calves or grab the elbows behind your legs. Or even walk the hands towards the back of the mat, whichever variation you prefer. Then release the bind, inhale, lift halfway. And as you exhale, step back to plank position and lower to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing. As you inhale, extend the right leg up, opening the hips. And stay. And on exhale, bring the right foot forward, circle the left heel to the ground, climb onto the fingertips, inhale, elongate the spine. As you exhale, fold towards your right leg. You can walk the hands back towards the back of your mat. Then inhale, come back up. Prepare for a revolved triangle position. Left hand to the outside of your right foot and then extend the right arm up to the ceiling. With the next inhale, lift all the way up to standing, turning to your left. Bring the feet to parallel and then interlace the fingers behind your back. Inhale here as you prepare. And then exhale, start folding forward and then extend the arms behind your back. With the next inhale, lift all the way up. And as you exhale, turn to the front, hands to the mat, step back to plank position. Inhale here in plank, and then exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog, and exhale into downward facing. As you inhale, extend the left leg up, opening the hips, hold here. And then as you exhale, step that left foot forward. Circle the right heel to the ground. Inhale, elongate across the back. And then exhale, fold to the left leg. Inhale, lift back up. And then exhale as you place that right hand to the outside of your left foot. And inhale, extend the left arm up, arriving in revolved triangle position. And with your next inhale, come all the way up, turning to the right. And then exhale, hands to your waist. Deep breath in here, elongate. And then exhale, fold forward and release the hands to the floor. One more breath. Inhale, elongate. And then exhale, fold all the way in, walking the hands back and bringing the crown of the head to the floor. And if the crown of the head is down, you are very welcome to come to a tripod headstand from here. Lifting onto the tips of your toes and then slowly making your way to a tripod headstand. And as you exhale, start returning, bringing the feet all the way down. Inhale, lift halfway, lengthen. And exhale here. Bring the hands to the waist. Inhale, come all the way up, turn to the front. And exhale, step back to plank position. Inhale here in plank. And then exhale, lower to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. And then exhale into downward facing. One breath here. And then look forward to the front of your mat and bend the elbows, bringing the forearms down to the floor. And press through your forearms. And you can step the feet a little bit closer towards your face. Relax the neck and keep pushing the floor away from you as you hold here. And then inhale, come back up to downward facing dog. Exhale here. Inhale, glide forward to plank position. And then exhale, lower down to chaturanga. Inhale through upward facing dog. And exhale into downward facing dog. And once more, lower onto the forearms, but this time interlacing the fingers. Make sure that the elbows are shoulder width apart, and then push away in that same manner as we were pushing with the forearms down a moment ago. And walk in towards your face. Keep pressing away. And walk a little bit closer and maintaining that engagement in the shoulders. Lower the crown of the head to the floor. And you can walk in a little bit more. Stay here. Work on bringing one knee to the chest. Maybe on bringing both knees to the chest and staying here. Or pressing all the way up to headstand. Find a variation that works for you and stay with it. Another few deep breaths here. And you can keep holding in headstand or wherever you are. And if possible, pike, bringing the legs parallel to the floor as you shift the hips a little bit back. With the next inhale, return to full headstand. And then exhale, slowly with control, lower down, and rest for a moment in child's position. Inhale, step back to plank. And then exhale, lower down to chaturanga. Inhale through upward facing dog. And then exhale into downward facing. And then come down onto your knees. And I have 2 tripod headstand variations for you. So you can repeat that same tripod headstand if you're still working on it, that we did a little bit earlier in the practice. Or I'll offer you one more fun variation. So if you're not quite there just yet, you could start by simply walking in and just holding it here. Or bringing one knee towards your forearm or upper arm, and then the other knee towards the upper arm, and maybe you'll be able to lift both of them to your upper arms. Now, if that's possible, then you are very likely really close to lifting both legs up. If you're already quite comfortable with this variation and you'd like to try something else, something new, then I encourage you to try to extend the arms forward with the palms facing up towards the ceiling, and then lift from here and hold. So find a variation that works for you and breathe there. And then slowly with control, start coming back. And rest for a moment in child's position. And then hands to the floor, step back to plank. Inhale here in plank position, and then exhale, lower down. Inhale through upward facing dog, and exhale into down dog. From downward facing, step or hop to a seated position, and then lay back, preparing for shoulder stand. Arms alongside the body, and slowly at your own rhythm, lift the legs and bring the hands towards your upper back. And with the next exhale, transition to Halasana. Bring the feet behind your head, and then bind the hands behind your back. With your next exhale, bend the knees and bring them towards your ears. Continue breathing steadily here. Then release the bind, press the palms to the floor behind you, and slowly with control, keeping the knees close to the chest, lower down. Then hug the knees in and gently rock from side to side. And then place the hands behind your knees and rock yourself up to a seated position. Now stretch your legs straight in front of you. Lift the right arm up, left arm down. Bind the hands behind your back. Inhale here. And as you exhale, fold to your legs, reaching the right elbow towards your feet. Inhale, return back to the middle, extending the arms out to the sides, and then switch. Left arm up, right arm down, bind the hands. Inhale, lengthen, and then exhale, fold in. And then inhale, come up, extend the arms out to the sides, and exhale, release. And then feel free to rest a few moments in Shavasana, simply relaxing the body. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next class.